Hi, I'm Robbie Shaker and I'm going to be demonstrating how to make chocolate mousse. You start off with 5 1/4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate with a pinch of salt, 14 ounces of heavy cream, an ounce of sugar, and 3 eggs that we're going to separate into whites, and a dash of vanilla extract. Here's the hardware you'll need: a power mixer, a stove, multiple bowls, a whisk, spatula, and a whisk attachment for your power mixer. Let's get started. First, you'll need your bittersweet chocolate with a pinch of salt. Put that into your double boiler. A double boiler is basically a pot filled partway with water that the steam heats up a bowl on top. Now turn your stove heat on and put it to a simmer. We're gonna let this melt for a bit and stir every few minutes. You can also, if you don't want to go through the pain of having to do this on your stove, microwave it for about 1.5 minutes and it'll be completely melted. Set up your power mixer with the whisk attachment and add your 14 ounces of heavy cream into it. You're gonna want to whip your heavy cream until it has soft peaks.
Later.
After about 2 minutes in the power mixer, you want to take it out and check it, and you're going to want your peak to be about like that. A little bit of movement, but not a lot. You see it's kind of still flopping around and not totally sticking together. After you've whipped your cream, you're going to want to move into separate bowls so you can later mix your egg whites with the power mixer. Now you have to go wash the bowl before you put the egg whites in it. After you finish up with your whipped cream, you're gonna want to set it to side at room temperature and just leave it there. After that, you're gonna want to take your eggs and separate the egg whites and yolks. It'll crack. After you separated your 3 eggs, you're going to want to put the 3 egg whites into the mixer. You're going to want to whip these until these also form soft peaks. As you're mixing your egg whites, you're going to want to gradually add your sugar. Shake it a bit, and it'll easily move by itself. After your egg whites are completed, you're going to want to add all of them, mixing them into the chocolate we melted earlier with a whisk. Once they're almost completely incorporated, you're going to want to grab your whipped cream and start folding that in. After you've almost fully incorporated your egg whites, you're going to want to start folding in the whipped cream. As you finish up folding in your whipped cream, you're gonna wanna put the servings you want into individual cups and set it in the fridge for an hour to chill. After that, your mousse will be all set to serve. So it's been about an hour, let's see how it tastes. Perfect. It has a strong, rich chocolate flavor right at the beginning, then the creaminess and sweetness comes right behind it to fill up your whole mouth. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. Click the bell to turn on notifications so you know when we come out with our next video. And what's your favorite flavor of mousse? Let us know down in the comments below. And don't forget what we always say.